Same script, different cast. So, you can't leave your man because your man born you. You have to leave your man or your man treat you. My past relationship where me I come from, me never leave my man because he born me. I leave my man to treat me. The treatment is very, 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 very bad. Remember, I'm a well-experienced girl, you know. When I meet some man in a life, and you have to teach them about relationship, you know, because some of them don't know, or else if you're older than them. Them don't know how to keep a woman. So them have one good thing and forget it because they don't know how to. For a girl like me, gift are not my problem, fancy car not my problem. Me, quality times are my problem. You spend some quality times are my problem. I don't know about nobody else. Because you're rich like Bill Gates, and trust me, you have standing in a life, you have to understand about relationship. Remember, I do 12-year one. And sometime it takes to get boring. It will take to get boring. Sometimes you have to spice it. That's what a spicy night. But the key thing in it is the love we have for the person will never change or when him treat you. Because if you leave a man because I'm born you, 45,000 million man out there go born you just the same way. You never in our relationship. We live to forget, to move on and close a chapter. So if you mess up at the first time, the key thing is not you tap over it. Boy, babes, the reason why I'm going to do this is because of this and because of that. I say, if him try to fix a broken part, that you try to fix that as well. When you love a person, you don't just get up and leave. So some of them over here chat, when them old, 50, 60, them never have a real relationship. No man never walk and hold them hand yet. So them chat them foolishness. Me's a well-experienced girl. If you want something in life, you fight for it. We fight for what we want. You create your own happiness. Depends on how a man treat you and how you feel. You'll be happy. Would you come to, oh yeah, she's sad where? Me not cry. And sometimes woman born we will just get even with him, you know. You never know. Because them know about religion, them just love chat.